The housings of the heavy Class 150 freight locomotives are given their color scheme in the Göppingen paint shop. Some work steps are carried out before and some after assembling the locomotive.
Im ersten Schritt bedrucken wir die Lok.
In the first step, we digitally print the locomotive, already with some weathering all around. In the second step, the locomotive is then aged by hand. The roof is darkened at the top. You can reproduce the carbon wear of the pantographs. This was done here with an airbrush gun. And in the last step, the locomotive is weathered again in the assembled state, so that all the add-on parts and the lines also show the weathered condition.
Und die Leitungen auch den Alterungszustand haben.
So each locomotive differs from the other. Weathering is the latest trend.
Ja, also man hört.
Yes, you hear more and more that this looks interesting. It's something different, and I have the feeling that it goes down well.
Gut ankommt so.
The 150-144 is shown here as faded and weathered. There is a locomotive engineer figure in cab 1.
Das Vorbild und auch das Modell ist die Variante mit.
The prototype and model correspond to the variant with 5 headlights, glatte fan grills, rectangular engine room windows and rectangular buffers. The roof on this 150 is even a little dirtier than on the model. In addition to mixed freight trains, long block trains were also in the schedules of the robust 6-axle locomotives.
Zu der Baureihe 150 gibt's zwei.
There are 2 matching car sets for the Class 150. These are 2 sets of 3, each with open Fals 176 self-unloading cars. These cars have been weathered and have a coal insert as a load. All of the cars have different car numbers, and set 46-239 includes a car where we have printed and mounted small metal end plates. So you can make a nice train.
Montiert und somit kann man dann noch einen schönen Zug draus machen.
Which is presented immediately on the half-O layout. Of course, the train can be extended at will. It is a pleasure to look through the engine room windows of the 150. At Trix, the locomotive will also appear in a one-off series. A weathered train simply looks much more realistic, doesn't it? And block trains always have a special appeal.